silverware. You still helping? Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, there's one more. Oh, two more, yep. It's a fork. Good job. Good job. Hey, look, you dropped one. Aiden. Aiden, you dropped one. Look. Aiden, look. You dropped one. Can you put it away? Yep. Good job.